Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful blue, royal blue color, little darker shade royal blue with same color pallu. A very elegant prints in the pallu also, block printing done using multiple colors, and we also have zari lines. Same deeper blue shade blouse piece, completely plain blouse piece with zari borders alone. The saree completely in the same color, running color concept, and we have the Pochanvalli kind design printed, the floral design. All over it has been printed, almost looking like a hand painted saree, but it's block printed with the zari borders adding beauty to the saree. And the inside part, you can see the lower half, we have the half saree model. The lower half having little deeper shade, navy blue shade, blue. Excellent saree in the blue base itself with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful deep Prussian blue, something between more than the shade of royal blue, deep blue color with zari lines in the pallu, beautiful pallu with a contrast maroon blouse piece, complete contrast it is with one side the black borders, the antique zari used for the black border here. The complete saree is having royal blue borders, and we have multiple designs and a big circle pattern. The colors used in the circles, you can see different colors, maroon, yellow as well as orange. Beautiful pattern all over the saree, big design. The saree as such is a black saree with the circles pattern running in multiple colors. Very elegant one, very trendy with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful deep Prussian blue color saree with same color pallu, and we have beautiful green prints on it. It's a beautiful design, and we have zari lines as well. Same color, plain blouse piece, running concept, same color with the zari borders alone. All over the saree, the zari here is in antique finish, beautiful one. And we have the prints, simple and elegant prints done using the green shade, one at a row at the top and two at a row at the bottom with small buttas all over the saree. Simple, like very, very elegant, beautiful, attractive color with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful black pallu with zari lines on the base of red, and we also have prints that is done in cream color, half white cream, and we have contrast black blouse piece with one side maroon borders for the zari border base. The complete zari border base here is done using maroon, and you can see the different prints here. We have cream base color saree with printing in black, and we also have a horizontal striped pattern which is having just plain black color, and we also have magenta prints in the bottom border of the saree. Very different one. The top portion fully it comes like that, and the lower half we have the printing, just the version of the print is changed. Very beautiful one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful light Tassa green color, green and half white mixed shade color pallu with zari lines, and we have same color plain blouse piece with one side the peach color borders. Very beautiful saree in a contrast pallu and blouse piece concept. We have very beautiful light peachy pink color, pink and peach mixed shade it is, very beautiful Kanakambaram shade it is. On it we have magenta used for printing, a very different and beautiful printed design. All over the saree the prints is done, and we have the pallu color borders for the zari border base. Very elegant saree, different one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality. Hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful and contrast green pallu. It's an olive green shade with beautiful zari lines and zari border in both sides of the saree. Same green plain blouse piece with one side yellow borders. Plain blouse piece it is with the beautiful zari borders as well. The complete saree is having the zari border on the green base here, the pallu color base. And here we have a very colorful saree, multiple colors in the saree, painted like beautifully, almost the yellow and pink shades, multiple shades of pink are used here, red as well, with the prints completely done using black. A beautiful rainbow colored saree, very elegantly printed one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality. Hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful deep blue shade. It's a navy blue shade with mild royal blue tinge, both mixed shade color pallu with olive green prints on it. We have a beautiful floral design. Along with that we have zari lines, and very contrastly we have the magenta pink color blouse piece with the borders in the pallu color, base of color. This is a half saree model. The top half we have the multiple shades of blue on it. The prints are done using the green and pink florals. The checked pattern it is done, the printing is done. And the lower half is completely pink. You can see it's a complete utmost half saree model design. Magenta pink is the lower half of the saree with the olive green prints on it. Beautiful saree, half saree model with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful deep purple shade color pallu, a very elegant color for the pallu, contrast one with zari lines, and the same color for the blouse piece, pallu color blouse piece, contrast one for the body with zari borders in both sides. The pallu blouse piece also has zari borders. And here we have an excellent design, very beautiful, very different and trendy design it is, all over a painting kind design, batik done in a very beautiful way, multiple colors used for it, and we have deep black used for the floral printing on the saree. We also have the purple color for the zari borders here, beautiful one, very colorful and different one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful lavenderish purple color shade pallu with very beautiful zari lines. It's a very rare and beautiful color. And we have the same color blouse piece, plain one with one side the rustic orange color borders. The saree here is very contrast, rustic orange in the top with beautiful floral design prints top and bottom. We have the cream color base, and on it the green is mostly occupying the prints with the yellow and red flowers. And we also have the purple color borders for the zari border base. Very elegant and very attractive, beautiful design saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful multicolored pallu. We have rusty orange, pink as well as green in the pallu, along with the block prints and zari lines. And a very contrast green. It's a beautiful olive green shade color blouse piece with one side the rusty orange color borders. The complete saree is having the green border for the base of the zari border, and here we have a beautiful colors in the saree. The mid part of the saree is something in a reddish rusty orange color. On the top and the bottom we have pink prints, and the between portion we have the cream portion that is having a green and yellow prints. Beautiful saree, multiple printing, and the colors of the saree is really beautiful with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful deep maroon color pallu with black block prints, black and white used for the block printing, and we also have the zari lines. And here we have the same deep maroon. Body color is also in the same color blouse piece with one side the black borders in the blouse piece. The saree color is a very different one. The top portion is completely black with very beautiful prints, peacock standing near the tree pattern, cream color used for the printing, and the lower half is completely a different color, maroon, with the prints in the lower half. Half and half pattern, half saree model, very pretty one. You can see the color combination, really fantastic with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful color, a very rare and different color. It is an exclusive collection. Green and grey mixed shade, a very pastel green and grey mixed shade it is. With same color pallu, and we have prints in pink color. We also have zari lines in the pallu with same color blouse piece as well. A plain blouse piece with both sides zari border. Complete saree is having a beautiful golden zari border. It's very rich and beautiful. And we have the prints, which is only a floral pattern in two colors. The petals are done in pink and the leaf and the stem portion is done in yellow. Very different one. Only the buttas here are contrast to the saree. Excellent one with authentic silk work. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a deep maroon color, burgundy maroon it is, with the prints in the peach color saree. We also have the zari lines as usual in the pallu. Very elegant pallu it is, a contrast pallu too. Same pallu color blouse piece, plain one with one side the peach borders. The both sides we have zari border, one side the body color is given for the blouse piece. The body color here is a peach color shade, very elegant pastel shade, and we have three different prints in the saree. The florals, dragonfly concept as well as the leaf pattern. Leaf patterns in black, dragonfly in green, and the flowers are done in yellow and pink shade. We have a beautiful border design as well, and the pallu color given for the zari border base. Beautiful saree with multiple designs with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful royal blue color pallu with yellow prints on it. We also have the zari lines in the between the block prints, and we have the same royal blue, dark royal blue blouse piece, plain blouse piece with one side the lavender color borders. The saree here is in beautiful lavender, a very rare shade in Tassa, very beautiful color too. On it we have the batik printing all over done using the royal blue, and we have a very different block print as well, the deer standing near the tree concept. Beautiful one that is done using a beautiful pink color shade, and a border design is done here using the yellow concept, and we also have zari lines on the royal blue base. Beautiful saree, multiple colors. The batik concept is really beautiful on the Tassa one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful two shades of maroon, deep burgundy color and maroon color is given in the pallu, a dual shade pallu with zari lines in the vertical way, and we have a very contrast yellow blouse piece, a goldish beautiful mango yellow with one side the maroon borders. The complete saree is having the maroon borders with very elegant zari border on it, and we have the saree having batik concept all over, a dull finish half white color. On it the batik is done all over with the kalamkari prints as well as a floral printing done in black. The kalamkari amman face design having a very pretty ethnic color, the deep maroon and yellow. A fine finish, beautiful, excellent concept saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful rusty orange color pallu with zari lines vertically, and we have zari borders as well. Same color blouse piece, same rusty orange color, plain blouse piece with both sides zari borders. The complete saree is having the rusty orange color base for the zari borders, and the saree here is in a light peach shade, beautiful pink and peach mixed color with royal blue prints on it, closely weaved beautiful printing all over, and along with that we have a green floral printing here and there. Excellent design, very closely printed, beautiful saree in a very excellent color combination. It comes with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful deep grey color, beautiful cement grey. It is a very elegant color with same color pallu, and we have two different block prints in the pallu, vertically done using pink and yellow. We also have zari lines in the pallu, and same deep grey color blouse piece, plain blouse piece in the running color with zari borders. The zari used here all over the border is a metallic color, antique kind zari, with beautiful printing in the body. It's a girl with her pot in head, that is run in yellow, and we have the beautiful elephant design in the lower part, that is done using pink here. The colors used are very pretty, contrast to the saree color. Very beautiful saree in a different printing design, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a dual tone color pallu, yellow and deep maroon color given in the pallu vertically, and we have zari lines as well, vertical zari lines, and the same maroon is given here for the blouse piece, plain blouse piece with both sides zari border. The saree here is in a very different pattern, borders in the deep maroon. Next to the borders we have the deep turmeric and gold mixed color yellow, and we also have the body part having the checks kind pattern, two different designs in blue and cream color, cream having the stripes in the burgundy dark maroon color, and blue having the cream color prints. Excellent saree, very different and colorful one with authentic silk.